Hey, welcome back to Rolling Country Outdoors. Scott here. I am going to work on getting this fireplace out of here. I'm just going to kind of look it over and see what needs to be disconnected. I've helped somebody else take it out before. It's been over a year since we've done that. I think there's a couple of screws on top and then screws on the side or something that makes this come out. I've got to get it disconnected because we're going to be taking this unit completely out and putting a set of gas fire logs in there. That's the kind of the plan. But I want to get this out, see what it looks like, see what we have to do. So that's what I'm working on now.
Ooh, what is that?
What I'm telling you.
Don't tell me it's the crap from the chimney.
Yeah.
Hold on.
You trigger your breaker's off in it.
Is your breaker
Yeah,
off? Oh yeah. Because otherwise it'd beep at us. Careful.
Can you shine the light up there?
Yeah. Just watch your.
You get the middle.
Get the middle.
Your side.
Yeah, but I think he's got it disconnected down there.
Okay.
Do you have something we can?
Yes, that's why I'm
Just
asking.
in case we scuff
Yes.
it. I've
Here.
already scuffed the 1/4,
Yeah.
the plywood. I think we might be able to push it up and then we can close off this hole.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. I'm gonna double it.
We're going to set it on there and then we're going to have to see what's connected and what's not connected.
Otherwise, I got a piece of wood or cardboard.
This would be fine. We're not going to drop it that soon.
I
think.
know, that soon. I just don't want a big old gouge because I can kind of get a little, especially on top. It's more noticeable on top.
A little bit more so you can see the wires.
Yeah.
Careful.
Uh-oh.
Wait, let me get this. You're attached. Okay. Okay.
The tires getting
Go ahead, just settle down a little bit.
There's one more wire.
Right, so
That probably came off when he pulled it out the other day.
this is what we've got.
I see him. I can't reach him.
So we're still connected down here, so I'm gonna take that panel off there, unwire it, and then
Disconnect the gas.
yeah, and then we'll be able to get this out of here.
For a minute.
Can you cock that in,
Yeah.
jib back just a little bit there? And then-
Does that help?
yeah.
I can hold it if you want to pull it out some more.
No, I think it's fine.
He doesn't have much wiggle room over here.
And we can pull this up by the break. Yep.
Oh, we got even more. Okay.
Here, can you? Oops.
The flue screw. That's what this is. The flue screw.
Flue screw.
Maybe,
When
maybe
you
we
turn
can
this,
put it back.
that turn that, and then it closes the gate.
Okay. All right, let me go get my. No, this has got to go out. I'll
Yeah.
put it out in the shop. That way I can work on it.
Right.
Or forget about it. Want to?
Forget about it.
Yeah, no power. Actually, let me just cut it.
Oops. Yeah, squish that bug, Ron, with one of those tools. Squish that stink bug.
Let's see.
I do. Hang on. Is your lantern downhill?
You're just gonna leave it on the cart wherever you pull it?
Yeah, let's take it out to the shop.
The other 4 or 6 bricks, whatever. Can I go ahead and vacuum right fast?
Yeah, you can.
Where do you want these?
What else could possibly be hanging?
It's old and rusty. It doesn't want to let go.
Are you kidding me? Right now.
Just don't cut yourself.
Jeez.
Is that what it
Louise.
was? Was that stuck on it?
Yeah.
Oh, but the little wings on the side.
That goes out with the fire pit.
Okay, but I need all these screws, don't I?
Yes.
Those two there.
Yeah.
And there's some behind you.
Maybe.
Here. And
Alright, so here, let me get you over here and see what's going on. So we finally got those stupid things loose there. So I gotta get those shoved back up in there. And then we can close that damper and then put that, and she can get all this cleaned up. And then we can put that gas fireplace in here. That's what I'm working on. There. It's closed.
it's closed?
Yeah.
Let me see. I don't even know what you're doing up there. Oh, you shoved all of that. What closed? What part? That there?
Yeah. See.
Oh.
Yeah.
So hopefully nothing will come through all that.
Where's that little twirly thing?
Right here.
Let me see how that works.
Right here. I didn't want you to roll on it. Oh, is that what opens it?
Yeah.
Do I need to move this for you so you can see? Do you have to twist it in there?
I don't know. Sure. There we go. How does that go?
You sure it doesn't twist in that thing?
Oh, maybe this does go through there.
Twist it.
Yeah.
Does it go to the other end first? Or are they both the same ends?
No,
Huh?
no, it goes on this end. There we go.
So I was partially right. Tighten that puppy up so nothing comes in.
Yeah, there you go. That works.
Wonder how it fell off.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, what?
I got some of that. You got that door closed.
What door?
The flapper door.
Oh.
Alright, we're just gonna stick this in here for now and see what it looks like. See if we can get used to it.
Instead of having that huge thing. I'd leave it, yeah, sticking out a little bit for now.
So that's a ventless gas fireplace, is what that is.
Here, take this. I'll hold my flashlight so you see.
Yeah.
Can you see
Yep.
better?
So I think she's gonna come in here and clean up the brick in there and then paint everything black. And then we'll fix the gas line there and hopefully just have it at the back wall there. Clean it up. But that should look good.
Well,
Be much more usable than what was in. But that's what it looks like. Looks good. I think that'll look just fine. I think that'll look just fine. We'll do some research and see if there's anything like rocks or something you can put on the bottom or ashes or something.
not ashes.
Well, it's not ashes, but it's
That's ChatGPT.
makes it look like it, whatever it is. But
Yeah.
anyway,
Okay.
I think that's where we're gonna end this video. Thanks, Ann, for all your help.
You missed it all this morning.
Well, that's a completely different video. This is just putting the fireplace in, or getting the fireplace insert out. How old was that? They bought that in, was it 07?
Well,
I think it was 07. I think they spent like $7,500 for a gas fireplace insert,
yeah.
and then the lining for the chimney. I think it was $7,500. Yeah.
Yeah.
This will be much more practical and usable, and
And guess what this cost?
$50, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we bought that for
Marketplace.
$50. Yeah, Marketplace.
Like what? 2 years ago?
Yeah, we've had that. We've had these gas fireplace logs for 2 years,
Yeah, just
and I hooked them up to my 5-gallon
propane tank.
propane tank and ran it in the shop just to make sure it ran, and it ran fine. A lot of heat.
Yeah, because
So-
the people that bought a house took it out of their house. They didn't want it.
Yeah, yeah. So score us.
Yeah,
Good job.
Easy fix.
All right. Thanks for joining Rolling Country Outdoors. Thanks for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. Take the time, hit the like button down there, and subscribe if you're not. Share with your friends and get them to subscribe. We're over 100
We're at 108 now.
subscribers now. So,
Slowly.
yep, slowly getting up there. So, anyway, thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. Catch you on the next video.